Hi, welcome to Ray Purpose Made, home of one-of-a-kind custom furniture. See how I take regular old pieces of wood and turn into something extra special just for you. 157 years ago, I created this cool handheld device with a mirror that holds keys or jewelry. And I wanted to see how I would interpret that thing today. Wood burn was definitely the medium I wanted to go with for these key ring holders because not only is it incredibly durable and looks good anywhere, it's my favorite to do. I wanted something incredibly simple for the design so it can be like a backdrop to whatever the content is on the object. But there's always room for customization, of course. Not everyone likes broken mirror pieces. Yes, 7 years of bad luck. You weren't the one who broke it, but you still might not want it in your house. So this time I went with plexiglass. Plexiglass is way more neat, clean. I can make actual cuts on the glass and have an actual rectangle. It's not easy to cut that plexiglass, but it does make for a much cleaner presentation on the actual holders. I wanted these pieces to be sisters, not twins, so I oriented the eye hooks on the pieces differently. One, the eye hooks are oriented horizontally, and the other one, they're oriented vertically, just for a little bit of like differentiation. When it came to the handle part of this new holder, the how the thing stands up and how it stays angled, I wanted to go with something a little bit more simple than what I did before. Just one piece of wood that is hiked up a little bit on the back piece so that it creates that angle effect. And I definitely wanted it to be a black matte, something that was like really muted, just keep it with being very subdued so that the content on the holder, whether it's keys or whether it's jewelry, actually pops out. Like I said before, there's a lot of room for customization. That's where this one comes in. I recently participated in an art show where I took the two key ring holders and Ash and Evie purchased one of them. And I wanted to give them a little bit of a customization, being that the option was there. So what I did for them was create an infinity heart, and I put their initials in either side of it. Ash and Evie wanted a companion piece to the key holder that I created for them and have a name holder, a business card holder, something that they can take on to every show that they participate in and have their business cards or some kind of flyers or stickers so that they can be presented right at their table. What I wanted to do is have these be really similar, the two pieces, so that it can like look like a collection for them. The wood burn in the upper left is a recreation of one of Ash's logos. I wanted the front and the back of this card holder to look the same. So rather than put a little skinny piece of plywood to create the ledge at the bottom, I used a 2x2 and painted it the same black matte as the handle in the back. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you want to see more. If you click on that little bell on the bottom, you will be notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thanks for watching.